I just wanted to say working with GreenLight for the past year has been an absolute pleasure. First off, it's the way they just constantly make sure that they have your back. They always make sure that they're doing the right thing by the client. So anytime we sit down, they work hands-on with me to show me my numbers and make sure everything's legit, that we're going in the right direction. And honestly, it's like having a CFO that's really has your back. We've had multiple times where we're kind of actually going downhill, and we made specific plans based on their recommendations to increase our profits. And sometimes we've had months where we would double in profits simply because we made a few financial strategies. So I would strongly recommend check out Greenlight. It's very rare you get somebody there to work with you one-on-one every month to really break down your number just like you would with a CFO. We've worked with other agencies and there's just been a lot of unethical things happening, very transactional. This is the first time that we've dealt with somebody that actually cares and wants us to do good. So ethics to me is everything. Definitely check out Greenlight.